everyone, welcome back to Tiny Talent. Today we're drawing this really cool dog man. Sorry my voice is a little bit funny, but I do have a cold. I hope you don't mind. Alright, let's get started. First we're going to start by drawing his eyes. They're two big ovals. They're at a little bit of a slant. And inside the eye there's kind of a slit kind of pupil. Okay. And then you're going to do a little space in between and you're going to do another eye. Now the other eye is a tiny bit smaller. And do the black pupil inside. Now there's a little line in between here. It's just the part of his mask. Okay. And you want to continue that line and bring it across, and you're only going to go a little tiny bit out. And then you're going to bring that line and you're going to bring it back up a little bit further. Okay. And do the second layer of the line. Well done. The bottom part of his mask. Lift your pen, bring it down and across, lift it again, and bring it across. Well done, everyone. Okay, and finish it off by just connecting lines. One there, and one here. Okay, let's do the top part of his head. It's just like a little mound, and you go from up and around. All right, now we're gonna bring this and bring it all the way up and stop about here. So you can do your little mark. Okay, it's about 1 inch out from there. Turn your paper if you need to. And stop it about there. Okay? And he has a nice big circle black nose, and you can color it in black. And then let's just follow that line and connect the top part of his nose. Well done. Okay, and make him look like Dogman, and we're going to do his nice big simple smile. Okay, so it starts about here. All right, let's give him some ears. So his ears are swooping back, a little dot, and swoop up. And back down like that. The next one, just come down a tiny little bit, and the same thing. Okay, let's start doing his arms next. So this arm, both his arms are out, so this goes out to a point, and it is a perfect point, it's not a rounded point. And then back in, that's his elbow. And then we're going to draw this line down to about here. And then this is the inner part of his arm. So that goes in and out and stop there, and we'll do his little hand next. Okay, he has a very simple little hand. 1, 2, 3, and 4 fingers, and just draw that line across. Okay, I'll let you catch up. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing on this side. So we're going to draw this line first, which goes down, And we're gonna bring his elbow out. Same way. Bring it back in like that, okay? And then this comes down and like that. Well done. And then you can connect that line. And then lastly, we'll do his little hand, the same thing. That's fine, I can just connect that line there. Well done, everyone. So we're gonna do his belt next. You can do a nice circle in the middle. Remember, start your circle above the paper. And then when you put it down, it's easier. And then do an inner circle. Well done. Now the top part of his belt kind of curves a little bit. Curves up just below his finger there. And the same on this side. Well done. And then you're going to just bring that down, line down a little tiny bit. And the same on that side. And then bring it across. Now bring your pencil across so you know it's the same line. And connect it. Now his little legs are very simple, the same thing. 2 lines down. Another line down and down. And then you're going to draw a line and go farther than the actual leg. And this line's the same, you're going to bring it farther than the actual leg. It's the top part of his boot. Okay, and now they go down at a tiny bit of an angle, and it's just a little tiny bit on each one. Okay. Okay, now the rest of his boot is just 2 ovals. Do your little bone. Kind of looks like a little bit of a heart at the end, and then 2 lines in between. All right, let's finish him off by just doing his cape. So his cape starts just in the middle of the back of his head, and it goes at an arc to there. And then it goes in and out, kind of like a Batman back cave. All right, how's everyone doing? All right, everyone, that's our Dogman drawn. Let's color him in. I'll be showing you at the end of the video what colors I used if you'd like to pause it. All right, let's get coloring. Thank you so much for joining me today on Tiny Town and drawing this really cool dog man. See you next time. Bye.